serving. That's out! Wins it! 65 years! The drought! Back to cream line. Eliza. Put away from Nina Wong. Nerva has been solid.
Si Jen Nerva yung pumuntos. And ayan na nga, pinapakitaan tayo. And alam mo, not a lot of liberos do that kasi di naman siya talaga usually ginagawa. But the confidence of Jen now.
A defensive pattern of LaSalle. Nerva with a perfect first ball. And what a recovery there by Nerva. That is it. And you can give Nerva half that point.
If only liberos can score. What a play there by Jen Nerva.
Laksina, 7 points.
Again, another perfect pass from Jennifer Nerva.
It's an M. Too tight, man.
Department, it would give the floor defense an easier.
Handler, Maraginot, Tunisperos. Nerva.
Good save there by Jen Nerva.
Soreño with a tip.
Good defense coming from Belen. Robles in transition.
Oh, good save.
That's a good second touch from Pangilinan, but wala nang follow-up.
Quicker mo, papasok agad yung dos. Magiging parang one completion.
Pumuntos ang UST. Victorious, the second leading scorer by the way. Laure, the scores off the block.
Another exciting rally that we have here.
Very exciting. Magaling si
Ang
Pepito.
ganda ng defense sa
Magaling si Nerva.
spike.
Pero hanga.
Defense of both team are full display here today. Pero nakita mo how organized itong pattern ng NU at yung communication na talaga kung sino kukuha ng bola.
Chance, come over to the SM Mall of Asia Arena to watch these athletes live. Kasi iba yung ma-appreciate.
I would say is also an offensive libero, something that you don't normally say. But so far in this season,
Best aura player of the game. Their leader. And their defensive anchor, Jennifer Nerva.